place there?
That's a school. The elementary school.
Barbed wire so they can't get out.
Yeah. And here on the left side you're gonna see the baseball field.
Speed bumps. But
It's the only way to slow traffic down.
Here on the right side, you can go to Playa Sosua.
Right here?
Yeah, down there.
Yeah, I gotta get there sometime for sure.
oh yeah. Yeah, and it's
Is there
it's just a restaurant
snorkeling
town.
at Playa Sosua too?
There
Or
it is, Hard Rock
Yeah.
Cafe. Okay, it's not Hotel, it's a cafe.
Yeah.
It's still here.
Well,
I guess
Oh, yeah, something
they're
different.
everywhere now too. Right?
oh yeah, for sure.
Like even London, for God's sakes.
Yeah,
Surprised they even have
and
a hotel.
it's got a hotel and everything there too, isn't it?
Yeah, I went there and saw.
It's probably expensive as hell.
I'm sure.
yeah, here there's. I think you can't get in there without a cover charge.
I went into the. Oh, this one here.
This one here.
Okay, that's kind of. See, the Delightful Travelers didn't say that. They went in there and got nachos for $12.95 $11. But they didn't tell you about how much they have to pay admission.
No.
Well, I just hear people complaining on Facebook
Well,
about
that's
it.
stupid.
Yeah.
I guess if
But I guess they have entertainment there all the time, and that's why.
And I suppose people come to look at the memorabilia, which they usually have at those places. Consider
Well, this place is pretty busy all the time.
Oh yeah.
It is only one way because everybody parking on the right side.
Oh yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, one way makes more sense actually. See,
Yeah.
I'm not trying to control. Except if you want to leave. Somebody sells a beer.
Well, yeah.
The only time I saw a soda was at the chocolate factory gift shop, and I thought, oh shit, we're gonna make many other stores. I'll get one later. No,
Yeah.
I didn't buy one there. It was probably expensive, but I should have.
Yeah, you're right about it. It would have been more expensive.
You guys need a bathing suit
It
right
looks
there.
like an instrument of torture. That one, that swimsuit, wedge right up your fucking butt. You didn't see it. It was one piece straight up like two elastic bands.
That's the well-groomed lady.
And it's scuba diving here on the left side. So people come in here and do scuba diving.
Oh yeah, my friend Sean does that.
In this place you can get like a catamaran, fish, snorkel, or something like that. Also paddle.
This is really happening.
Yeah, this is
This is the busy one, and the other one's the quiet one. Is what you're saying?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Isn't it? It's a beautiful day in high season.
Look at the lovely little boats out there.
But the water's not crashing on shores.
Down here today on Playa Sosua here. Gonna spend the day here on the beach, so I thought I'd take a little video down here and show you guys what things are like down here in Sosua. In the Bay of Sosua, Playa Sosua. Right near the far end of the beach here. It's where there's some rock here. You can see Mount Isabella in the background there. And the airport's over there too, so you can see some planes coming in and out. Lots of boats here. Lots of little trips you can take. Snorkeling, diving, fishing. And the nice thing about here is the restaurants and the gift shops all run parallel to the beach here. So just up top here, you can get a restaurant to take care of you. They'll all actually approach you when you come walking down here. Gets quite deep very quickly here when you go in. A lot of people like it here for swimming, better than Cabarete because not quite as wavy most of the time. You can see some of the restaurants up there. They're renovating a lot up here. big changes in Sosua, if you've seen other videos. Trying to make it more family oriented and you'll see most people just go in short ways. Starts to get deep. Get a little wavy in here. I think the tide's maybe coming in. Get a catamaran out here, party boat, if that's what you're into. Lots of people here today. The weather hasn't been that great, so it's finally a nice day. Was here once before last year. Certainly not an expert on this area, but know a little bit about it. You're gonna pay about 150 to 200 for a lounger. Maybe another 100, 150 for an umbrella. Depending on the deal you want to strike with these guys. They all work out of the restaurants mostly. You tell them you're gonna buy food and alcohol, maybe get a better deal. We got a free umbrella today, so 150 a lounger and free umbrella. It's not that much, so you know. High season is the only time they make the good money here. There's a banana boat you could get on. Lots of sand. We do a lot of shopping here though in Sosua. We like coming to the Playa. Nice big grocery store, and they're building another one on the other side of the city, which is going to be nice for next year. There's always somebody going to approach you here if you want to get on any kind of boat for whatever reason. You can ask them right at the restaurant. Trust me, they all have contacts. I'm gonna walk up and I'll show you the where the vendors are and the restaurants. So I'm going to start down here up top where the vendors are and the restaurants. I'll just show you, this is where you come in here. Up top here were all vendors in that last year up in there, but they're renovating all that. So normally you would have to be able to walk through there as well. And here's where we start. Everybody's going to approach you here to go to their shop or go to their restaurant or get their loungers on the beach. Just kind of get a spot in mind where you want to go and tell them you're going to meet your amigo. I kind of just posted online and said, where's the best place to have for restaurant and beach loungers. Just kind of get an idea of what people are, the more popular places to go. It's also nice to find a place with a toilet seat. Because that's common here. Even for the women, you go in there and there's no toilet seat. They're all numbered as well. So people will tell you go to number, we're at number 108, I think it is. So people will give you a number, just go to this number. See, look up top, you don't see them clearly on all of them, but it's 39th. And then you can see the beach is right there. So it's conveniently right parallel. Little mini mart here. Go grab some beers or something there. See, that says 65 there. Mofogo King. Here's number 78. There's a little fancier place. Hola.
Hola, we got a happy hour, mojitos.
Okay, gracias. Policia here. Really, I've never seen any trouble here. Not that it doesn't happen, but I'm saying in Dominican Republic in general. This is where they generate their money for the whole year, a lot of places. You're always going to see vendors out here on the beach as well. Oh, gracias. I'm just making a video, though. Gracias. Later. Artists. There's 106, 109. And this is where we're at, 108. We're over there just in front of the log. You probably can't see it. Funny guy. A lot of, like I say, renovations going on here. Some different reasons I've read about it, but if you're in Cabarete, it's a good day, or whatever. I mean, even if you're here, it's a good day at the beach here. We come our second time now, so we're right on the beach there in Cabarete, so it's a little bit different here. You don't have quite the waves, so amigos. All right, well, there's not much else down here, so I'm going to stop the video here. And that's a little tour of Sosua Beach and the vendors and the restaurants. Hasta luego.